Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I have an interesting video for you. It's a viral TikTok hack on applying eyeshadow with a dry beauty blender or makeup sponge. I was so curious. It is viral and it's just something that I wanted to try with you. So let's try this together. Let's do this live and see if it's a hit or a miss, if it's a yay or an A. So all you'll need is a makeup palette, an eyeshadow palette. And for this, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is such a beautiful palette. The colors are gorgeous. Some makeup brushes and a beauty sponge. Now, the hack involves dipping the sponge into the colors of your choice, two colors, the inner corner and the outer corner, pressing it onto your eyelid, and voila. I'm sure there's more involved in that. It's not always as easy as it looks. So let's dive right in and see if this one works. So I've already primed my face. I've already applied my foundation, my base and everything. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot. This is the color Soft Ochre. It's a go-to of mine. I use it all the time. And let's just create a nice little canvas. We're just having fun today. This is not by any means a makeup tutorial. Now, good enough. We'll let that set a little bit. Now, choice of sponges. They say to use a dry beauty blender sponge. Now, I have small eyes. I'm afraid that this giant sponge will make a big old mess on my eyelid. But you know what? Maybe I'll try pinching it and see if I can make it smaller and make less of a mess. I'm just thinking here of the potential disaster. So this is the palette I said we're using. These colors are stunning. I just love these colors. So for this particular look, I'm not sure. I'm thinking of going in with these two colors or maybe these two colors. What do you think? I think we're going to go with these two colors. It's a palette, as you can see, it's not used. I've barely used it. I have used this color. That's why I'm leaning towards using it, because I know the color payoff is beautiful. Pretty much on all these colors, I can tell. So let's go ahead and dip the first color, which will be the outer crease, which will be the outer half of the eye. And we're going to go in with that darker color. And we're just going to press it in there. Wow, okay. And now we're going to go in with that inner corner color. It kind of also blends right in the middle, if you can see. So let's see the magic happen. Like I said, I suspect this is going to be a big old mess. But we're just having fun. Press it in there. Let's see what we got. That's pretty cool. That is so cool. Yes, I did make a big mess. It's all over my, right into my brow bone there. I did bring some makeup wipes just to make some cleanup. So let's try and blend that. So with a clean blending brush, let me try to work with what I've got here. I didn't expect it to be that intense. Color payoff is amazing on this palette. This is not so bad. It's fun more than anything else. Would I keep doing this? I'm not sure. It's clearly not an exact science, and it's not as precise as it would be if we were obviously doing it with brushes or even our hands. I'm going to go in just to, I don't know, just to play with that crease a little bit with color C5. I hope I'm not making this worse, but just kind of. This is, I don't know how I feel about this. I really don't know how I feel about this, but it's pretty cool, I gotta say. Would I do this every day? Like I said, I don't think so. Probably not. But it was fun to try. Now we could definitely fix that brow bone with a little color. And I'm again trying to blend it out. I could use a concealer for sure. I could definitely use a concealer to sharpen out the edge, but I'm okay with this. Again, we're having fun and I'm not going out today, so this was really intense, but really fun, I gotta say. So let's try the other eye. So again, I still have some there. I wonder if I can use the same one. I'm just going to dip into that inner corner color because I suspect there's nothing left there. Pressing in there up and down too, because you want to make sure. This side came a little bit better. It's not quite as high. So obviously placement, and I like how it gave that lifted look actually. And let me try to blend that out. I think practice might make perfect. Let me go in again with that C5 look and kind of define a little bit the crease. These colors are intense. I gotta say, the color payoff, the pigment is just incredible. So be very careful. This is the first time I use that most of these colors, but a big old mess on the other side. Blending inwards. I don't want to get it high. Go back in with that brow bone color. So this was at best fun. They are not the same, I can tell. But obviously the size of the sponge, the placement, and how you apply it makes a big difference. So let's apply some mascara to this and so that's it. That's the completed look. There's so many things you see on TikTok. Some are good, some are time savers. Is this a keeper? This one here? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but let me know if you've tried it. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below and see you next time. Have yourself a great day. And as usual, stay safe wherever you are.